Hello again from a beautiful day in corn country. Today, I'm standing here with a 30-inch 6-row MacDon C-Series corn head equipped with the rotary chopper option. So with the rotary choppers, it's truly an agronomist dream. This is the agronomist corn head. If you want to get your stalks incorporated, sized down between 2 and 3 inches, and really start that breakdown right behind the combine, this is the corn head for you. If you're wanting to get out there and plant your cover crops with your drill, your planter, and you're always dealing with a lot of stubble, again, this is the corn head for you. We're going to incorporate that stubble, the full width of the corn head, the full width of the swath right behind the combine, and really start that breakdown immediately. So even if we didn't have the rotary choppers and we were just looking at the Octaroll system, so the Octaroll, we do have 4 points of contact. We are sizing that material down 3 to 4 inches just with the knife rolls, and then we're crimping it every 2. So we're squeezing that moisture out, we're getting that breakdown started early, and really starting that incorporation back into your soil. With the C-Series, we have row spacings from 20-inch all the way up to 38-inch in different row configurations. In the FC series, it's a 30-inch only, 12 and 16 row option only. So we can go on any combine. If you have an older machine, a new machine, we can go on anything. So if you have any questions, talk to your dealer or give us a shout today. Thank you.